If we divide 652 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 5 and it is 15. 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 0. So again we put down these 2 and 5 times 0 mean 0. On subtracting we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 652 divided by 5 is 130 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.